no? Mag-asawa ko, Janet, no? And tinuturing ko tong itong dalawa na to na parang kapatid, no? Kuya at ate. But of course, nasanay tayo na tawagin to na coach, no? Pero ang turing ko talaga rito sa dalawa na to, parang mga kuya at ate ko. Okay? And hindi na rin to iba sa akin. So pakilala ko na po sa inyo, no, yung ating last sharer, no. Kasi marami pa rin kaming gustong banggitin sa inyo. Okay? Yung isa po, no, yung lalaki, engineer siya by profession, no. Mechanical engineer. And ang kanya talagang specialty yung mga air condition, no. Alam mo, mga hinahawakan niya air condition, Coach Janet, no. Mga department store, malaki yan, no. Maramihan talaga, no. Tapos yung kanyang wife, mag-asawa kasi to, Coach Janet, no. Meron naman tong salon. Kaya huwag kayong magulat, no. Napakagandang babae, no? Taas, angkad, no? And pang beauty, ano talaga? Pang beauty pageant, no? And ang nakakatawa dito sa mag-asawa na to, para silang diamond sa Live Good. Pero mag-asawa ko, Janet.
Wow.
Ganun kakatindi. Kami hindi namin nagawa yun ni Coach Kat eh. Si Coach Kat gold lang eh, 'di ba? Pero itong dalawa diamond and consistent diamond, Coach Janet ah. Matindi
Mhm.
talaga no. And naglagay sila ng siguro siya na magkwento nun kasi baka maikwento ko yung mga dapat sila ang magkwento eh no. And dati rin to sa isang international company, hindi ko nababanggitin, siguro sila na lang no. Pero ito nga, nung nakita yung Live Good, sobrang na in love. Ngayon, silang dalawa ngayon ay makakapiling natin. So, wag na nating patagalin, Coach Janet. Pwede bang sabay natin
Yes.
ang tawagin?
Yes,
Unahin yung
sure.
lalaki, tapos babae, sabay, di ba? Okay?
Yep.
So, please welcome, ayan, our guest for tonight, special guest,
Yes.
Diamond Coach Noel
Coach Noel
Charlene
Caparros.
Caparoso.
Yan. Woo.
Everybody wants you. Everybody wants your love. I just want to make you mine, oh mine. Na, 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 na.
Thank you, thank you, Ate Charlene. Kuya Noel. Okay. May ate, may kuya. Our
Good,
Golden Diamond. Welcome po, welcome po. Ayan, sige po. Ayun na po ang nasa inyo na po ang floor. Bati po kayo at magkwento.
good evening sa lahat po. Sabi nila, ladies first daw, so sabi ko ako mauna. Good evening sa lahat, Coach Janet, Coach Fernan. We are so blessed na na-invite dito kasi para ma-share naman namin sa lahat yung mga na-experience namin kung paano namin naging diamond as husband and wife. I know hindi madali sa husband at saka sa wife na to understand each other. Kasi mostly hindi magkasundo pagdating sa pera yung mag-husband and wife pagdating sa decision. So, ginawa namin ang lahat at saka yung goal lang talaga namin na maging diamond. Siya kasi ang naunang nag-diamond, yung husband ko. Pero ako ang upline. Ako ang ako ang na-invite ni Coach Vilma Savulao, and I'm so thankful na without her hindi ko nakilala kaagad yung Live. So with that, eh, pinakinggan ko muna yung video bago ko sinabi kay husband, kay Noel. So sabi niya, ayaw na daw niya mag-network. Networking na naman yan. Ayoko na. So, gumamit ako ng parang third party na para makinig siya sa akin sa isang kapartner din namin sa dating company. So, yun. naniwala naman siya at by that day, last February 11, 2023, we decided to join Live Good. So since ako naman ang nag-invite sa kanya, so akong naging upline. So okay lang naman sa akin na akong naging upline kasi nung nag-diamond siya sa Matrix, may 50% naman ako eh. Yun, 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 yun ang maganda dito talaga sa Live Good. So para sa akin, Live Good is a blessing. A blessing talaga kasi during those pandemics, may negosyo kami pero puro utang eh. Kasi naubos yun sa pangbigay namin, pang tulong namin sa mga staff namin during pandemic. Hino-hold on namin. So pagdating naman sa Live Good, binanatan kaagad namin kasi nakita namin yung kung anong meron, kung anong opportunity na meron ang Live Good. Kasi kita namin yung time na kung gagawin namin to, the time is times 50, 55. 55 kasi dati yung dollar. Instead na peso, ang time namin na i-allocate na to do the work dito sa Live Good is times 58. Kasi we are in dollar and we are here in the Philippines doing Live Good with a dollar income. So, yun, binanata namin. At after that, sa ngayon, 1 year na kaming naging diamond. 1 year plus na. Kasi February last year. So, nag-diamond ako. Nag-diamond si Noel is August. Then ako, September. So, nakita namin yung pangailangan ng iba, yung ka-team namin. Kasi iba yung ano namin, Coach A. So, yung before, nag-mentoring talaga kami. Nagbayad si Noel ng mentoring na para mag-change yung life namin as traditional business kasi hindi madali yung negosyo. Parang madali lang pero dito sa Live Good, the reality here is not about the product, it's not about the what's that, the rank, but the reality here is the relationship, and the relationship came from yung who we are. That's why parang ano na namin to ngayon eh, parang yung mission na namin to kasi naging diamond ako is more than enough na ang income ko para sa sarili ko at saka sa husband ko. So ngayon, we made a hub dito sa Cebu. At 2 hub yung ginawa namin. Yung income namin dito sa Live Good, binalik namin sa team namin kasi mostly nasanay sa ano dito eh, yung offline. Meron din namang online, pero mostly offline talaga. So, yun ang gumawa kami ng hub dito malapit din dito sa bahay namin. Kaya we are doing this for the team para lahat naman ng mga team namin is matulungan talaga. Kasi parang help na ang naging namin, mission namin dito sa Live Good. At saka as being a wife, being a woman, maganda talaga na may sarili tayong income. Kaya may salon ako eh. May parlor ako. Hindi dahil kumikita ako. May salon ako kasi love ko yun eh, yung salon. Yun pag na-stress ako, nandun ako sa salon. Kahit pag yung mga nails ko, basta gusto kong ma-release yung stress ko, nandun ako sa salon. Kaya gumawa ako ng salon para medyo mahal kasi pag magpasalon eh, yung sariling buti, nag-decide ako na, di kaya mag-business na lang ako ng loan. Kaya nag-business ako. Pero good thing, pagdating sa Live Good, yung salon ko na ordinary salon, na-upgrade. Na-upgrade lahat ng gamit, location, lahat, na-upgrade yung salon ko. Tapos, syempre, yung price ng upgrade, lahat na isang buwang, isang buwang salary kita ako sa lingkod. Lahat ibinuhos ko sa pag-upgrade ng salon ko. So, I'm so happy na yung isang, ko, sa month of October na income ko yon last year. Ko talaga para may income na naman, tapos sa third floor nandoon yung hub namin para isang supervision na lang. So yun ang ginawa namin dito sa Cebu, and so I'm so happy na and grateful talaga sa Live Good. Naging blessing talaga sa lahat ng mga team namin. Yung iba, meron naman talagang may mga pasaway, pero everything happens for a reason. Lahat naman may lesson learned. Hindi naman tayo lahat perfect. Pero good thing for us is we understand. We understand all those people na medyo nawala sa landas. Tapos, at least unti-unti na ngayong bumabalik. They are welcome din naman na So para sa amin, importante talaga na yung lesson learned na na-learn ko at in-apply ko being a wife and a woman is to love ourselves. Love ourselves, respect ourselves, then know yourselves. Kasi hindi mo maintindihan yung iba kung ikaw mismo hindi ka nakaintindi sa sarili mo. That's the first thing I know na naging naging seryoso dito sa Live Good eh. Parang hindi ako dito negosyante, parang kung sa school pa, ako dito eh. Isang mama, isa sa school pa. Isa akong parang guidance counselor dito sa Live Good. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila, Live Good is just like enrolling a college or a two-year core college na pagdating sa nagbayad ka ng tuition, entrance fee na 3,000, tapos mag-monthly ka ng tuition fee na 600 more or less, 20 pesos a day. After 2 years or 3 years, depende kung paano mo inaaral yung Live Good, maging maging financially freedom yung darating. Kasi kung i-compare mo sa school, wala namang masama sa school, pero comparing after 4 years of studying, minimum pa rin yung sweldo mo. Kung sa call center, 30 to 50,000 per month. So dito sa Live Good, aralin mo lang. Aralin mo yung system, aralin mo yung aralin mo sarili mo, who you are, what really you want. And yun, then you have to serve. Dito sa yung rule ko dito is I found out that being us is to serve someone. Find time, find a way to serve them. It's not about the money the money that you can give, you can share. You have to find to serve them. Any service that can help the team, help someone that needs help. Hindi naman dito sa amin sa team na porkit cross line or parang family kami dito eh. Kasi ako as mama dito sa team namin, tapos si Noel naman as father sa team namin. Kaya we're calling it as family dito. So, pinashare ko din sa kanila na being a good leader starts from a family, starts from a father, starts from a mother, starts from a husband and wife, then go to the family. The family starts from a husband and wife, then the community starts from the family. The community starts going to as a country, Yun. So, yun ang ginawa namin. We try our best to be a good leader. Though we are not perfect, but we're doing our best to be a good leader here in Cebu and for all, sa lahat ng team namin dito, sa lahat ng whole world. Kasi hindi namin maabot, hindi namin may team kami dito nandiyan para siguro hindi pa natulog sila basta marami, hindi ko na paisa-isa yung lahat ng dito. But I'm so happy and thankful to them na without them, hindi kami maging diamond. Lahat naman ng naging team namin is ginawa nilang lahat para din sila umangat. At kami din, ginawa namin lahat na matulungan sila. So, ang magandang dito sa Live Good is we help each other. Helping each other to grow ourselves, to grow financially, to grow our health. Kasi health is wealth. Sabi nga ni Ben Glinsky his mission is to be healthy and stay healthy without spending a fortune to do it. So, yun ang ginawa namin, bumili, we're fund. I am using the product, all of them, and not, but yung product namin natin na hormonal imbalance, nag-take kasi I'm already 55, medyo papuntang senior na. So, yung mga vitamins for women, yung collagen, yun lahat ang ginamit namin. Ginamit ko rin. Kasi we are the product of our product. We're promoting our product, so we have to take our product. We will use the product. So, yun, naging talaga sa akin itong si Live Good. And I'm so happy also that we belong to the community of Coach Fernan na maganda talaga yung teamwork natin. Hindi lang natin maintindihan na syempre lahat naman tayo may mga but we focus on the positive way para tayo umangat lahat. Ang focus natin na umangat ang buhay dito sa Live Good. So yun, last word na before ko ko sa husband ko is yung 3 things na mai-share ko is first thing first is to know ourselves. Knowing ourselves what really you want in our life, and then where you are now, then where we are going. Yun ang first is to know yourself. Then the second is you must find a way to serve somebody, to serve your teams, to serve someone. Yun ang pangalawa. Tapos, pangatlo is just doing the right thing. You have to do the right thing even though somebody doesn't recognize that thing that you are doing, but you know for yourselves that you are doing the right thing. Only God knows. Only God can show your heart. So, ibabalik lang niya yung kung anong ginagawa mong mabuti. Don't worry about someone's negative thing na marinig mo. It's okay. You are the one who knows what you're doing. So, yun lang ang basta do your best for the rest of your life. Yun lang. So, I will give you my husband, my ex-boyfriend.
Hello, good evening, Coach
Good evening.
Fernan.
Yes.
Good evening.
Yan naman.
Talagang matagal-tagal na kami hindi nakashare. But I hope na we can help rin. Tinitingnan namin how we can help. We are not really, sa akin lang, hindi talaga networker eh. But I learned something na can help also the team. Yun ang namin by experience ko kasi in business. Dito kasi yung iba parang lang network lang. But this one is really for me. This is big business with small capital. Ayun ang number one na maintindihan ng mga tao. Dito nga, marami, hindi naman lahat na smooth sailing lahat. May mga problema rin na yung negosyo, katulad ng traditional business, the same rin. Pero this is what I've seen, this kind of business, tao yung business natin eh. Hindi lang technology, hindi lang product, but this is tao talaga. Yan ang last January na we started coaching and mentoring. Kasi nakita ko yung mga tao wala na nang rank up eh. Puro yung iba rin na tinitingnan na yung nasaan ba yung easy money. Dito we are teaching financial literacy kasi nakita ko why people naghanap ng easy money kasi they fail in their financial side. Maraming utang, hindi marunong mag-budget. Ang nangyari, lubog sa utang maski dati yung problema utang na walang pera, ngayon na may income, ganun pa rin. Utang pa rin. Ang nangyari, naghanap ng easy money, which is there is no easy money for me. There is no easy big money. Wala talaga yun. Tagal ko na sa negosyo, pero there is no easy money. Kailangan tatrabahuan mo talaga eh. Yun ang nakita ko, at saka with the experience namin, we are really helping people here na makaangat. Sa ngayon nga, we are focusing on coaching and mentoring kasi alam naman namin yung pera pang lang yan, reward. If you help more people get what they want, you can get what you want. Yun ang principle na talagang tinitingnan namin eh. Happy ka kasi yung income, ang gusto ko lang dito sa Libgod, I just want to retire. Retire ako na yung income hindi mag-retire. Yun ang main reason why I joined Libgod. That is the number one reason why I joined Libgod. As we go along, nakita ko, we need to help people also get also what they want. And now we've seen that they need help talaga. They need help. Kasi usually nakita ko how mostly sa atin kasi yung background natin, hirap. Nakita ko dito, program lang to eh. We are designed to win talaga. There is nobody na sinabing siya lang yung may siya lang yung gifted or But I've seen everybody can do this. But only that we are programmed environmentally to lose. Kasi how we grow up, yun ang main namin sa personal development na yung tao talaga, we are from childhood until now, we are really programmed kasi yung parents natin, hindi man mayaman, ganon rin mangyari. Ang tinuturo, ganon rin. And then, ang nakita ko rin, ang school system natin, talagang obsolete na. Obsolete na, which is, nakita ko, kung nobody teach us in school how to make money. Just to go, get a good grade, graduate, and after that, go to work. I've been in my experience in business. This is what I learned and which I also get from my father. My father is a teacher. My mother also is a teacher. Ito lang binigay sa amin. Kung if you just go to work, talagang pahirapan ka, mapag-aral mo rin yung mga anak mo. Which is, I'm conditioned na to do business. Pero sad to say, Wala yung usual na problema, walang puhunan yung tao. Yung parents ko, wala rin. Which is, I've seen na a big challenge. Usually, when you go to business, kailangan ng capital. But when my brother asked for capital, nakita ko yung papa ko na wala talagang capital na ibigay, I decided na to try to do business without capital. Yun ang main a big challenge, how to do business without capital. That is my mindset when I'm starting my own business. At saka talagang pwede naman talagang mag-succeed. Importante lang for me, usually 95% nakita ko, it must be mindset. 5% lang yung skills at saka strategies. But still, 5%, it will not become 100% without that 5%. But mostly fail on how we are guided on our mindset. We are programmed to lose talaga. From childhood, bakit yung tao may fear? Because we are programmed to have fear. Sa school, ganun rin. As we go to school, we are conditioned not to copy. But in real life, we need to copy to somebody who are really successful. That is mostly why more people is talaga struggling. Now, yes, we are built from family side until as a culture, as Filipino, we are conditioned, we are number one exporter of labor. Just to work, not to go in business. But my experience, I just worked 2 years. Iba-ibang kumpanya just to learn business. Yun ang experience namin, but still, because there's nobody guiding us, yan ang example ko nga dito, bakit yung basketball may coach? Yung volleyball may coach? Tayo walang coach? That is the usual talagang mahirap i-succeed. Yung direction namin ngayon is whatever, if we cannot change everybody, at least we can just throw a stone to make a ripple that we can touch somebody that they can change their life. This is what I've seen also that nakita ko kasi, lalo na mga senior, yung challenge dito sa Cebu. Ngayon nga, nakita ko yung mga senior, gustong matuto. Pero I know, they are sleeping now. Mahirapan pag Zoom. Yan, we decided to put a hub, not, hindi namin gusto yung Zoom. Really, we are very thankful that DMW, Coach Fernan, and the rest of the coaches there are there to help. Kasi hindi naman lahat ma-reach natin. Ayun, I'm happy that mayroon silang maka-plug in sila sa online. But this is what I've seen. Maraming senior dito na gustong kumita, pero pati cellphone nga, hindi marunong. But they want to make money. That's why we are forced to open a hub sa Cebu City. Mayroon na kaming another hub dito sa Liloan. At hoping in the next few months, we can open the Talisay side. We have one in Lapu-Lapu now. That's why I'm willing to help also, not only with our team. If there is somebody wants to plug in, just let us know. Yan na nga, nakita ko nga dito, marami na dito. Maski sa team natin, we cannot guide them if kung titingnan na, marunong na sila eh. Mostly, nakita ko maraming acne na ba? Nakita ko nga, marami ng sa strategy lang, alam ko, they are really ready na to become diamond. But sad to say, nobody guide them. Ang nangyari, they give up. They give up. But I've seen, when I check their view rank, it's really they have more than what needed to become diamond. Only lang na wala talagang nag-guide how to focus and where to focus sa grupo eh. Lahat naman eh, usually I have one leg. Si Michelle nga, siguro under dito eh. Under nila Bitman, kita ko yan. Na sayang ba? But we cannot teach somebody who believe na they know already. We are happy to guide them, but they are thinking that they are focusing on the negative side. Walang warehouse, walang produkto. Sa akin nga dito eh, ano bang gusto mo? Maging tagabinta o gusto mo artista? Ano bang malaking income doon? Artista ka, taga-promote lang. Sayang yung mindset kasi sanay sila sa binta-binta. Ito yung isang nakita ko bakit hindi ko gusto ang network. I don't want to sell. Sayang yung oras ko eh. Just selling something. Maliit lang yung profit mo doon. If you build the business, it is bigger. Mostly lang kasi hindi naintindihan talaga. Yung mindset ba, they are programmed to sell products in network marketing. Even they are manipulated to invest in products to get ranks. You see, this is some of our team here, when really they understand, they will go with Lipgood. Because this is the easiest business na nakita ko. Compare sa mga negosyo kong nadaanan, this is the easiest business. You just promote. You're just like an actor or actress. That's easy. Why you need to sell the products? We are not forced to sell. We are not forced to buy. Yun ang ano. But really, the product is very good. Very good. That's why every month we are buying the products. This is the first time I've seen a network marketing na product is moving even without pushing the product. This is what I've seen. This business is really something that you need to understand. Matagal na ako sa negosyo, but this is the best. Nakita ko ngayon, sinabing Ben Glinsky na on the 2 months after we joined, that Livegood will be there 20 years. I'm really happy because I'm already 60 years old, but I'm become 80 years old. That's more than enough. But when he changed it to 100 years, this is something. This is something that people really understand the business model. This is what I'm seeing now, that the future of Livegood, if only you give time to study it, there is no other business model now in the industry on online marketing, in network marketing, that can beat the system as of now. Hoping in the near future, another innovation, we can add another business. But as of now, that's why usually I've seen in the social media that multiple source of income, but they don't understand how to build multiple source of income. they build together or lahat para dito nga si Cebu na dala tanan. Maraming hinahawakan. You cannot build a big business like that. You must focus one. You select the best and build it to the maximum capacity of that business. As soon as you make more money, what you need, that's the time. Use that extra money to invest another business. Yun ang tama. Hindi yung marami kang bit-bit dyan na hindi naman effective. There is a rule that you need to learn, the 20-80 rule. Focus the 20% on something that will give you the 80% of your production. If you know the principle, you times it 20% times 2, it will become 160%. That is what I've seen. Only we need to guide these people. This is lacking now, that we need the training mainly on their personal development side and the financial literacy. This is what really matters for me now. I'm happy with Diamond's income. I just want to retire. But if there is extra, but I want it to get that extra by building the organization. This is ambitious for me, but this is our plan. Hoping that we will be building 100 diamonds under our group. With the help of DFW, I know outside Cebu or outside Philippines, there is somebody that needs this online Zoom. Only because this is already international coverage. You just follow my Facebook account. I just put something there. I don't get anybody there. I just gave some lesson that people will learn. That's why I'm posting something reels lang, because people 90 minutes or 90 seconds is more than enough. At least continuous learning. Yun ang nakita ko. The concept of learning is just consistency. Small thing continuously. I hope people will realize this, that they need to invest on themselves first. That is the best foundation, because we cannot get what we want, we can get who we are. That is the main, usually, even in the way we handle the training here, we are following really the principle of my coach, because really I spent something. I failed 2014. I lost 2 companies. But this is the question I'm asking. Why other people are succeeding and more people also fail? I'm really thankful that technology is there. I start searching for a coach, because I've seen basketball, you need the best coach. Volleyball, you need the coach, and you will win. But sad to say, our life, there is no coach. This is what we are doing now. This is really very challenging now, that Filipinos are looking for easy money. So more people now goes on the scam business, because they think, investment for me is a game of the rich. If you have no play money, don't go on investment. Investment is very dangerous. That is why I hope that in the near future, we can give some trainings. I'm just learning now, because this is not my, but I learned something that other people don't know. This is not a joke, that we'll become diamond together, and it is consistent. We know, and this is for all platinum, this is what I can advise you. Give at least a budget. Once you get your income, at least 10% give back to your business. You cannot grow bigger if all your income, you don't give part of it to the business. It's easy to maintain the diamond level. It's easy if you know it. Now, the direction, there will be $10,000. You can pay that money for your what is that position to keep it. I hope that you get something, but in the future, just let us know. We can share something that even your other team. This is open. Just go to my account sa Facebook. You chat me. I can give you some advice. It's easy to win in Live Good if you know. Every Saturday we have training here. But this is not live. Really, we're focusing on personal development and financial literacy. And thank you for the time. And this is already, I think, what we can give you as of now. And hoping in the future, we can get some ideas also that we can share on how to win with Live Good and to win your life. And thank you very much. And hope to
Grabe kayo, no? Sabi nyo kaming pina-inlove, no? Power couple. Balansyado, no? Yung mga sharer natin, no? Grabe talaga. Blessed tayo, no? Ngayong gabi na to. And siyempre, nauna yung prayer, eh. Coach Noel, sineset na yan, no? Yung schedule natin yan. Yung siguro one of Monday, kukunin natin, no? To share your alam nyo, ang experience is very powerful, no? Whatever it is, no, na nilalaman, no, ng puso ni Kuya Noel, they have result, di ba? Ang result hindi pwede magsinungaling, Coach Janet, no? So, if you want, no, Kuya Noel, and tatanungin muna natin itong mga tao na to. Gusto nyo ba, no, na i-share sa atin ni Kuya Noel ang kanilang mga diskarte, no? Ang kanilang mga ginagawa. Why itong couple na to, power couple is maintaining their diamond, no? And he is willing to share to us, no? Ayun, sige nga, type yes. Come on. Maraming yes, 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 yes.
Yes na yes.
Yes na yes. Regular naman tong Monday natin, Kuya Noel, no? Isalang ka namin, no? Kayo uli ni Ate Charlene. Share your knowledge, your blessing, your experience, no? And nasa tao naman yan, no? Kung gusto nilang i-apply, pulutin, no? Ako na-excite, Na-excite ako kay Kuya Noel. Iba talaga mag-isip ang negosyante, no? Ibang mindset, ibang program talaga. Natawa ako't natuwa sa sinabi niya na, di ba, why you're focusing to sell products, no? Gusto mo magka-warehouse, walang masama doon, no? Pero why you focus to sell products, magkano lang kitain mo dyan, barya-barya lang yan. Ayaw mo ba na ikaw yung artista? Di ba? O nga naman. Kahit isip mo talaga, di ba? Even nga mga may-ari, 'di ba? Formulator, ano sabi niya? I create product not to sell, no? Hindi to dinesign para i-sell. Dinesign to para gamitin natin yung product. Kaya lang may bibili, 'di ba? Alam naman bigay natin ng libre, 'di ba? Kasi they in love in our products and mababa ang presyo pagdating sa live good eh. Kaya ang tao magbibili yan talaga. Kusang nangyayari yung sell, pero yung hard selling, para kunin mo yung diamond mo, ilang super green ang ibebenta mo, super red para mag-diamond ka. Ganun ang mindset sa traditional, di ba, Kuya Noel, no? Point
Tama.
system, point system, sabi ko nga sa inyo, no? In my last company, I need to sell yung team ko ng 9.6 million para ma-maintain ko yung diamond ko. Hindi mo na kailangan gawin sa live good yan. Di ba? Ang kailangan mo lang sa live good, 2,500 na nagme-maintain ng 580 pesos every month. No back to zero. Pag yung 2.5 na yon nagme-maintain, naintindihan ng live good, you are a consistent diamond. Isa na yun, no? So, Kuya Noel, schedule na natin. Chat tayo. Gagawa naman natin ng poster yan para talagang dumugin tayo no, ng mga tao kung kailan itong mga nandirito pa na nakikinig. Itong 367 na natitira rito, mag-invite lang itong tiga-tigatlo. Wala nang makakapasok. 1,000 na to eh. Oo, kukulangin tayo, di ba? So, text tayo, Kuya Noel, no, kung kailan yung availability nyo ni Ate Shardine. And then, malayo pa lang, ipa-plug natin para mai-announce talaga. Kuya Noel, thank you so much, no? Pero
Thank
meron
you.
gusto sabihin si Coach Janet sa inyong mag-asawa. Coach Janet, anything?
Yeah, yes, Coach. I really resonate with them. Power couple talaga. And nakita ko sa kanila yung humility. And then si Ma'am Charlene, nung makikita mo kaagad na he is mission driven eh. Yung hinanap niya na ano yung maitutulong ko sa tao. And ganon, meron sila nung millionaire's mindset. Ganon talaga mag-isip pala ang mga milyonaryo. Like, they always find a way to serve. So, nagki-create sila ng value, and when you solve problems, that is creating value. So, tinignan nila kung anong maganda sa team, mentoring, o sige, magme-mentor tayo. So, I resonate with them, and of course, inaalok nila yung kanilang service sa atin for the whole team, and that is creating value. And also the MSI, sa multiple source of income, tama yun eh, focus on one, sabi ni Sir Noel, and then later, saka ka mag-expand, hindi yung ang dami-dami mong bit. Kasi earning million is one thing, but sustaining it is another. Yun ang gusto kong, na-appreciate talaga. Kaya, we have to get their mindset, the millionaire's mindset, in order for us to thrive. So, thank you so much po sa inyong humility, and thank you for your service, Ma'am and Sir, Coach Noel and Coach Charlene.
Yon, thank you Coach Janet, no? Ate Charlene, ha? And Kuya Noel, yon. By the way, yung biruan natin last September 2023, nagkatotoo, di ba, Kuya Noel? Yung resort natin. So, patapos na po by September. And siguro, in advance, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung kailan yung event natin para makapag-prepare kayo sa pagluwas. Hindi pwedeng wala kayo ron eh. At mga leaders nyo, no? Magkakaroon tayo doon ng special event, no, sa resort natin na parang biruan lang pero totoo, no? Grabe talaga. Iba ang live good, no, Kuya Noel? Kahit ako hanggang ngayon na overwhelm ako yung mga pinagdaanan nating company. Alam nyo, si Kuya Noel and Ate Charlene, hindi na rin po bagito yan sa network marketing. Marami na rin pinagdaanan ng mga yan, no? Yung practice lang yun, no? Yung mga pinagdaanan natin. Daming sakit, daming roller coaster, no? Kikita ka, half of your income, tapon, or nauwi sa wala, baon ka pa sa utang. Yan ang mga experience natin eh. Sa network marketing, abono, expired na products, di ba? And maraming hindi pagkakaintindihan, pagkakaunawaan, no? Sa Live Good, no? Naayos lahat eh, kung tutuusin eh. Hindi perfect, pero pinagaan niya, Kuya Noel, no? Hindi ka masasaktan. Isang negosyante, big businessman, naniwala sa isang business na ang puhunan 3,000. Pag inanalyze mo, walang business na ganun eh. Matatawa ang isang negosyante. Kunyari, Lucio Tan or Henry C. Gokongwei. mag-business tayo, 3,000 lang. Sabihin sa'yo, ayun na yung 3,000, no? Huwag mo na lang kulitin, ayun na yung 3,000. Diba? Pero grabe talaga, no? 3,000 o wala pang 3,000 pero huge business talaga ang Live Good. Yan ang dapat maintindihan ng karamihan, no? Ng lahat. Thank you, Kuya Noel, Ate Charlene. Kulang ang gabi para kami magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, no? Na sharer dito mula kay Ma'am Pinky, kay Denny Rose, alright, kay Michelle, kay Jana, and of course, ang ating power couple, Ma'am Charlene, Kuya Noel. I love you very much from the bottom of our heart. Maraming naantig, no? Sa inyo pong sharing, no? Ngayong gabi na to. Alright. And hindi natin pwedeng hindi Ko Janet na yung ating recognition. Pero picture muna tayo, Kuya Nabel, Ate Charlene. Ayan, yung magkasama kayo. Ayan. Sige. Medyo nawawala si Kuya. Ayan. Smile. Yun. Pag andito pa mamaya sila, Coach Pinky, mag-ano tayo. Okay, thank you po. God bless. And Coach Janet, i-recognize lang natin yung mga new bronze, silver, gold para explain na lang.
Okay po.
Okay, recognition time tayo. Almost done na tayo, patapos na tayo. Hindi matatapos ang gabi na to na hindi tayo magre-recognize. Kaya, alright, ayun. How to become bronze, Coach Janet.
Okay, how to become bronze? You only need 2 in your team. So either affiliates or members, then you become bronze. Napakadali lang. To become silver, of course, you only need a team of 20. And you make your bronze na 3, 3 bronze and 20 in team. Or 10 directs and 20 in team. Or 20 directs and that makes 20 in team. Ayan. And of course, for gold, 30 directs and 100 in team, or make your silvers, make your bronze into silver, 3 silvers, and then 100 in team, then you become gold. O kaya, kung wala kang ma-produce na silver, then 30, 30, 30, 10, ayan, basta a total of 100. Ayan. So,